Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Logstash pipelines configuration step by step clearly. Ensure you have access to the server where Logstash is running. Open a terminal on your server. Navigate to the Logstash configuration directory. Typically, this is located at /etc/logstash/confd. You can do this by using the command cd /etc/logstash/confd. List all the files in this directory to see your existing pipeline configurations. Use the command lsl to display the files. Identify the specific pipeline configuration files you want to backup. Make a note of their names. Create a backup directory for your Logstash configurations. You can do this with dir/logstash_backup. Copy the identified configuration files to your backup directory. Use the command cp filename.conf/logstash_backup/. Repeat this command for each pipeline configuration file you wish to backup. To verify the backup, navigate to your backup directory. Use the command cd/logstash_backup to enter the directory. List the files with lsl to ensure they have been copied successfully. If you want to compress the backup, you can create a zip file. Use the command zip or logstash_backup.zip/logstash_backup/. This will compress all files into a single archive. Store the zip file in a secure location. You can transfer it to a different server or cloud storage for extra safety. Periodically check your backup to ensure it remains accessible and up to date. You have now successfully backed up your Logstash pipelines configuration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.